Hi everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jan Public School, and today we'll do next exercise 2.5, question number 6, chapter 2, fraction and decimals of class 7th. Then see here the question number 6 is write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. As the previous in the previous question of this exercise, question number 5, we learned how to expand the decimal numbers, and now today with the help of that one sum we will simplify this sum and will tell them what is the place value of 2 here. Then see here the very first one part is 2.56 and we have to tell them what is the place value here in this sum. The place value of 2 we have to find out. See here, so the place value of 2 in this part we can see here it is decimal here and it is on the left hand side of decimal, so it will be ones. It is on its ones place. You can write here 2 multiply 1 or 2 ones. It means the position of 2 here is the place value of 2 is 2 ones. Same here, the second part 21.37 and we have to find out the place value of 2 here. So the place value of 2 here in 21.37 we can see here this one 2 is on the second number. It is, see here, see on the left hand side of decimal, the first one digit is 1, second one is tens. So it is here, it is on tens position. So write here 2 multiply 10 or 2 tens we can write here. And here in third part you can see 10.25 and here 10.25 means it is a decimal here and it is on the right hand side of decimal. So on the right hand side we'll always start here tenths and this one is 100th. But we want to tell the value of the place value of 2 here. So the place value of 2 in 10.25 it is 2 multiplied tenths means 2 tenths. And same here it is 9.42 means say the it is on second number and we know that after the decimal which one is the number which one is on the right hand side, the first one is tenths, other one is hundredths. So it is the place value of 2 in this 9.42, this one 2, it is 2 multiply 1 by 100 means 2 hundredths. In this way you can simplify this sum. Then let's do the next one, sum question number 7. See in this sum what is asking here. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. It means here there is one Dinesh, he is going to cover some distance, and from what is saying here, Dinesh went from place A to place B. See here I am showing here this one diagram to you. This is point A, this is B. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. I mean to say the distance between A and B there is 7.5 kilometer. Then and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. It means the distance between B and C it is 12.7 kilometer. And then Ayub went from place A to D. Now Ayub, here's Ayub, one other one person. He traveled from place A to place D. From A to D, the distance between these 2 points it is 9.3 kilometer. And from A to C, and then what is saying the and A and from A and C is 11.8 from D. And see here when after covering distance from A to D, he moved from D to C here, and the distance between D and C it is 11.8 kilometer, and he want to know that who traveled and by how much. Means so we have to check that there are two persons, Dinesh and Ayub, and we want to check that who traveled more and by how much distance he covered more than other one person. That means here we having two persons, Dinesh and Ayub. Then here Dinesh traveled from A to B, then B to C, and then Ayub traveled from A to B, A to D, then D to C, and we have to check this one distance more or this one is more. Let's do it now. Distance traveled by Dinesh from place A to B. From A to B it is 7.5 kilometer, and from place B to place C, from B to C it is 12.7 kilometer. So therefore the total distance covered by Dinesh is AB plus BC. This one and this one path it is 7.5 plus 12.7 kilometer. It means the total is 20.22 kilometer. Then next we are talking about Ayub now. The distance traveled by Ayub. See here From place A to place D. From A to D it is 9.3 kilometer, and the place D to place C it is 11.8. So the total distance covered by Ayub, it is AD plus DC, means 9.3 plus 11.8, it becomes 21.1 kilometer. Now we'll compare them because they want to know that who traveled more. That means we'll compare 20.2 and 21.1. Now see here, we can see 20.1 is greater than 20.2. See here, before decimal there is 21, it is 20. Before decimal it means 21 is greater. So this one distance covered by Ayub here. So Ayub covered more distance by how much? He is asking by how much. So it is 21.1 minus 20.2, that is 0.9 kilometer. We can convert into meters, that is 900 meter. And this is the distance more which one is covered by Ayub here. Now here the next question number 8 is, what is saying here? Shama bought 5 kilogram 300 gram apples and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kilogram 800 gram oranges and 4 kilogram 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? I mean to say, we're going to check who bought more fruits. Shama or Sarla. You can see here, Shama bought two type of fruits. She bought apples and mangoes, and here Sarla bought oranges and bananas. We'll check who bought more fruits here. Let's see here. Now let's start it now. Total weight of fruits bought by Shama. It is here, as she bought 5 kg and 300 g apples. So 5 kilogram 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 grams mango. So 3 kg plus 250 g. And addition of both, it is 8 kg 550 g. It means she bought total fruit 8 kilogram 550 grams here. And this one fruit is brought by Shama. The next one is the total weight of fruit brought by Sarla. She bought 4 kilogram and 150 gram bananas and 4 kilogram and 800 gram oranges. We'll put here, and now you can see there we will add both. It becomes 8 kilogram 950 grams. Now we'll compare. Let's see here, 8 kilogram she bought. The weight is same. Then see here in grams, 550 here it is 950. It means who brought more fruit? This Sarla. It means, and we can see here 950 gram is more than 550 gram. So we'll compare and we'll check that Sarla brought more fruits in this sum. Then see here, next question number 9 here. What is saying here? How much less is 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer? Means how much kilometer this I will add in 28 kilometer so that it will be equals to 42.6 kilometer. It means to say, either we will add something here in this, I will get this one, or I will subtract, I will check how much, what is distance between the both, so that I will come to know how much less this one number is from this one number. So see here, therefore the difference between 42.6 and 28 kilometer, we will subtract them. It means to say this one is greater than this. So 42.6 minus 28, it becomes 14.6. It means the distance between both is 14.6 kilometer. So therefore 14.6 kilometer less is 28 than 42.6, and this is your answer, 14.6 kilometer.